Bhai, if
And
you have any question regarding anything, please you can ask because we are here for question answer session and some
Yes,
general.
Pradeep, I have a little query about that.
Yes, yes, bhai.
Uh,
uh,
Okay.
when I think when we talking to someone with face-to-face interaction,
Yes, yes.
sir, I face a lots of problem because I know the words, but when we spell, I get lots of hesitation. I don't feel comfortable and don't have confidence. I just don't know. When I was writing, I have lots of words. I can arrange the word, but while we speaking, I don't have enough words in my mind. If my mind has, then there is a mismatching of my mind and mouth while spelling this. Sir, I want to just know how to overcome this.
Okay, actually, Shashank Bhai, firstly, I am not an expert, but no, what you are facing, I have faced a lot in my life also. Because what happened, this is very easy to write anything, but when you are going to communicate person to person, maybe we think if I am going to speak, maybe it will be wrong. That's why we think more and more in our mind, and we can't utter that words whatever we are thinking in mind. I think best solution is just try to talk face to face because no, currently we are talking to Amit Bhai. Also, I can see Amit Bhai, Amit Bhai can see me because it's only due to lack of confidence. Because your speaking is very good. Because I have listened uh, no many audio whatever you have posted in this group, and I feel your speaking is a very good, very fantastic, and also you can speak very well. But what I feel when you are talking, I think only due to lack of confidence, and also you are getting chance to speak but you are not speaking. That's why. And please, just it's my request, please don't think what people will say. First time you are going to make mistake, second time you are going to make mistake, third time you are going to mistake, but it's guarantee fourth and fifth time you are going to overcome your mistake whatever you are making. So try to speak more and more, and try to communicate face to face. Suppose here we are communicating face to face, so by speaking and by showing your face, definitely after some days you can overcome your fear, because this type fear everybody is facing. That's why we are here for practicing speaking English. Why? Because we know when we practice more and more, definitely we can speak. Because you can see to your 3 points, you can speak alone, very good, because you are recording audio daily. Also by without showing your face you can speak, because here you are speaking very good. What happened, when we face someone in physical appearance, we think a lot of things. Okay, if I am going to speak something, maybe I am going to make mistake. It's going on every time. That's why we are unable to speak anything. So please forget what people are going to say. Please let them say. Once time, two, three, four means after some days you can overcome. And if you are running away from that mistake, so you are not going to overcome your fear. Because just I want to tell my experience before this group. I take my all the classes in Hindi. Only 20% I used to no use English language, but now I am non-stop 45 minutes I can take my classes in English. Why? Because I am practicing. If you have noticed, daily I try to post 3 to 4 audio, only because I want to be touched. And daily at 9:45 we are conducting this type session only to overcome our fear, because we are seeing each other, we are talking each other. So it's also boosting our confidence. So mainly I think only due to lack of confidence we cannot speak so well as we expected. So this is my view. Amit bhai, what is your view regarding this?
yes, yes. As you, whatever you told, it's 100% correct, and I agree with you. But see, the first thing is that the confidence, okay, and how you the how you are gain the confidence, okay. So suppose let me give you my example. Suppose if I go in the past, so I still remember when I used to travel, means particularly by local train, and whenever I was getting a call, and it was the interview call, and then that time I was getting a fear that whether I will be able to speak in English or not, and because why? Because the around me, sir, they were, if you are traveling in a local, so around you there will be a lot of the people, right? And I was getting scared because of suppose if I make a mistake or they will laugh me or something happen, you know. So this is the things, right? Whatever the fear, first thing is very important that the remove your fear. You will have to overcome on your fear. So then how you can overcome on the fear? Directly go to the any crowded area and call to me, call to that Pradeep. Okay, and you can have a conversation with us. Okay, so you know, so this is the first step to overcome on a fear. So mostly what you will have to do, you will have to go in the crowded place, okay, or you can particularly show up. You will have to show up now. See, I can also speak in English. This is the psychology. Okay, so see, you are, and you should have that. See, these things, vocabulary and all this, we know, taste, grammar, and all these things we know. But sometimes what happens because of the fear, we are not able to talk on the particular topic. This is the first thing. Second thing that see the normal speaking, normal suppose if I want to talk with you, if I want to interact with you, if I want to talk with Shashank, if I want to talk Dhruv, if I want to talk Pradeep, I know that how to talk in English, right? But the most important thing is that suppose now let me, if there is a particular topic, suppose for example now there will be some particular topic. So until and unless you don't have the some knowledge about the topic, then you will not be able to deliver much more. But general speaking, you can do it. I don't think so. See, now I could see whatever you are saying, it's now just now you told something, right? So you are the talking very well. So do not consider it in that you are not able to speak in English very well. It's not. It's just the game of minded game. You can say the minded game, and it's a fear. Okay, a fear. So you'll have to overcome on this one. This is the thing. There is not any other thing where you can learn or you can. Only the thing is that the fluency. So fluency, you know, when you will get a fluency, you will have to do a lot of practice. It is art. Speaking English is the one type of art. You will have to act it, right? Suppose now if how we watch the movies, right? Actress, they do acting, right? But they know Hindi, right? We know Hindi, they know Hindi. But the way of the delivering the dialogue, right? So we feel that what acting they are going to do. The same thing we'll have to implement in English. Suppose if you want to speak, so just show up and deliver those words. Like you use the phrasal word. Phrases were very important. And some other the some suppose if I want to talk with my the team, right? So you know what I do? I use some typical words which are not known to them. So what they will consider, oh, my boss is speaking very well. You know, you got my idea now. Suppose if I will use another 3 to 4 different words, they don't use other people. So what they will consider, oh yeah, you using a lot of the vocabulary, how vocabulary is having now. But I know that I'm playing a game with them. Try to understand that, right? Suppose if I know, if I'm using some now hurdle or something, or it is the mind of your or something, if I start to use the phrases, then again you will say, how he is speaking. So this is the thing, okay? So you will have to overcome on this thing. Nothing is there, nothing else is there, right?
Okay.
And just think in English.
Okay, yeah. Dhruv bhai and Neha, actually Shashank has asked a question regarding how to overcome of speaking English. Means how we can overcome our fear of speaking English.
When we interact with face to face.
Okay, so we were trying to give some answer. So please, what is your view regarding this? How we can overcome of this fear?
Yes, okay. I think practice makes a man perfect, because ladies are already perfect, I think. And the thing is, as much as we practice, first of all, we need to make aware ourselves that where we are lacking. There, in English, there are some things that we need to analyze where we are lacking. Because some of the person afraid of speaking English because they do not grammar, right? This is the reason that they do not any sort of grammar, that where to use have, where to use had. So it can be the reason. This is the first reason that people afraid of speaking English. And another thing is they know Hindi, they know their native language, but whenever they want to speak English, they try to translate it from their Hindi to English. Like first of all, they will make the sentence in their native language. After that, in mind, they will try to translate that sentence into the English. So this is the reason that's why their latency rate, the making of the sentence in the native language, then translate it to, so it takes a lot of time to bring out a particular sentence from their out. And the third thing is the framing of sentence. These are some reasons. First of all, we need to make aware ourselves that where I'm lacking. It's a grammar part, it's a framing of sentence, or it's a practice issue. So these are the things on which first we get to know that where I'm lacking, then we need to work on that area. And after work, keeping on practice on that particular area, we can get rid of that fear, and that particular, we can make them that.
Okay, Dhruv bhai, what is
Okay.
your comment? Dhruv bhai.
Okay, the same thing, like Miss Neha has started with that particular word practice, and there is no substitute about practice. And I want to ask question from Mr. Sasank. I mean, Mr. Sasank,
Yes, Dhruv.
yeah, how long have you been doing practice this English language? I mean, okay,
Uh,
firstly, actually, have you real kind of this fear or not? I mean, you are able to speak in front of the public, or it is a real problem which you are facing nowadays?
I'm just facing nowadays from earlier when we surrounded with that type of people who is good in English.
Sasank, please
But
on your camera. Okay, we have
okay,
already
sir.
discussed to try to
This is also
interact face to face.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Hold
okay.
on. माँ गेट बंद कर लो. Okay, sir. Can you hear me? Sorry. Can you see? You can see me.
yeah, we can see.
Okay, sir. There is a problem. When we talk to other person who is good in their English as well as vocabulary, uh, uh, from that our person, when we talk, we just forget ourselves. I lots of word, but we can not delivery so much because there is a I think I feel just it's a lack of confidence, or maybe I don't have power to inbuild and arrange the words. That's why I'm facing
Okay.
lots of problem.
Mm-hmm.
No, no.
Okay.
See, just one minute. See, Sashank, suppose now I already given an example. Suppose if I want to talk and see now on that day what happened? There was one farewell, the speech. Okay. And at the time of, you'll have to say something because if your colleague is the moving into, he got the job in another company and it's a last working day. So at that time, you should have the words before that, before speaking. And that time, on that particular area, you might be stucking, I guess. I feel that. Because if a general speaking, if I want to talk with Nia, if I want to talk with Pradeep, if I want to talk with the Dhruv, if I want to Akansha, right? See, I can talk with them. So it's coming automatically where I am stucking, not stucking. But where I will stuck, suppose if I want to deliver on the farewell, yeah. Now what I was thinking, what word I will have to use it. Now here the fear is here. In a general speaking, I don't think so. There will be a fear. But if you want to talk on the particular subject, and if you don't have the words, if you don't have a knowledge, then the fear will create. So that is the thing. So suppose, for example, do one thing. Suppose now if you want to talk on a particular subject, take a notes. Write this. Yeah. Now today I want to talk on this one. Yeah. Today is the last working day of my colleague. He was very fantastic. It has been a nice working with him. It has been how many years, right? He was very good. He was very brilliant. It was very nice working with him, and he was not.
Okay, I want to continue. I think this would help you, Shashank, as you told that you fear of English because you sometimes feel that the concerned person or the person who is in front of you has much knowledge as compared to you. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the
Yes,
actual
ma'am.
thing or actual fear that you are facing. So I want
Yes,
to tell you
that's
one
the
thing,
actual.
that do not feel inferior. because each of the person has a level. I have seen in my life that a person at the age of 50 trying to learn English, if he has the courage to learn English at that age, so why don't you start today?
I think,
Right.
ma'am, I think I
I
just
think
there
one
was
more
a
thing I want to tell you, that always work on 3 A's. The first one is accept it. Okay, make aware, as I've explained the first A, that is analysis. Analyze where you are lacking, on which aspect you are lacking. Once you aware of that uh, fear, or where once you get aware of the thing that where you are lacking, after that accept it. Yes, I'm lacking here. And until and unless you do not accept it, and you just take the charge of this thing now, that yes, I'm lacking and I accept it. Because until or unless you accept that weakness or loophole, you are not going to uh, take action, positive action toward that. So these A's work on each and every problem. You need to be aware or analyze the problem. You have to take the charge. You have to accept that yes, I have this loophole, and after that take the positive action. Yes, I'll overcome this problem of mine.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think self-assessment is a very much required thing, because by doing self-assessment, at least we can find out where we are making mistake and where we are lacking. Because if you are going to find that lacking a mistake, then definitely you can improve. But if you are not accepting your mistake, so you are not going to improve. Daily I accept, yes, I am making mistake. Whenever I listen all the audio after recording this, I got my point. Yes, I have made mistake, and I try to recover that mistake next time. So this is process. Firstly, we have to accept our mistake. Yes, we are doing mistake. You are talking about confidence. What I feel, because your speaking ability is very good, you can speak very good, but only I feel, okay, when you are talking, please try to remove that influence. Okay, suppose you are talking to Neha, and suppose Neha is speaking much better than you. So please don't just forget that thing. You are master, you are speaking very good. Just only thing, then you can speak. If you are going to think, yes, Mr. Pradeep is speaking is very good compared to me, so this is not a good idea. Just try to assume that person is not speaking good than me. Then you can improve. Otherwise, always be in the influence of others. That is not good sign, because you can see, just you can take example of Kangana Ranaut. I think when you are going to see 5 years back, she was unable to speak a single line in English, but now she is speaking now, because only due to practice and interacting more and more people. Just try to participate in this type debate, and try to show your first, try to eye to eye contact, because that is very much important for any communication. Okay, Dhruv bhai.
Yeah, sure. And the same point, like, I'm also agree with all the points that Mr. Neha and Mr. Pradeep has made. And also, like, I think Mr. Pradeep has just recently interrupted you. At least, if you are talking whenever you are expressing your thought in this platform, Zoom, try to unpause your camera or open your camera. This will also give you a kind of, a little bit more confidence. Just because if you have paused your camera, this is you are already doing on WhatsApp group, this is you are already doing in voice call. Okay, but we are here, so we can interact face to face. Now we are looking other people, and I'm also looking on my own expression, that how I'm actually speaking, how I'm expressing to myself. So this is why it is very important, and this is the first step, whether you are going to talk with person in front of you or not. This is also kind of live interaction. Only the one thing, people are not actual there. Actually, they are not present. I think Sasank has an internet issue.
I can hear you, but
Don't
your
worry,
video is
don't
too
worry. We are
fluctuating.
listening you.
Okay.
Okay.
We are all.
All right.
Your
So
voice is audible, but your video is too fluctuating. So
okay. No problem. So this is the first thing that you can do every single day. Okay, this is just normal thing that you have to. And apart from it, Mr. Pradeep has made, why are you comparing with any other people? Even if you have to compare, don't compare, learn with them. I mean, learn from them. And first of all, like they have been doing practice for so long time. That's why they are now able to speak. And you have just started within 2 months, 3 months. How many hours have you put? How many hours you have put? Maybe 100 hours and 500 hours, but they have put more than 1,000 hours, 15 hours. It depends. Okay. So firstly, practice a lot. And sometimes we feel some people is better, they are speaking better. And I think, we compare only on the two bases. And the first one is vocabulary, and second one is the fluency. Also, sometimes accent matter, but it's okay. But the most important thing is first one vocabulary, and second is fluency. So when it comes about fluency, it is all about your practice. If you are speaking with person every single day, you will easily get the fluency. Okay. Along with fluency, also we need to master pronunciation. That will make you another level. And when it comes to vocabulary, we think if we have 1 lakh kind of vocabulary, or if we are a master of Oxford dictionary, then we can speak better English. It is totally wrong. Firstly, work on your fluency. No matter you have 2 lakh vocabulary in your mind, but if you are not able to express those vocabulary, you are just stucking again and again. And just because the only reason, there is no kind of fear and nothing is there. The only reason is just because you have a lack of practice. Take an example of kid. Whenever they start speaking, they stuck all the time. Okay, they stuck all the time, but they don't say to you like, I have fear that you are speaking well and I'm not speaking, just because they don't know such kind of word. This word we have created. So only one thing, lack of practice. So how many vocabulary you have? How many? Like if you have 100 vocabulary, 600, work with that. At least in that 600 vocabulary, if you have to speak, you are not going to stuck. So firstly, use those things which you have. One time, if you are fluent, you will again, you will automatically gain a kind of confidence. And after that, now if you want to improve yourself, work on your grammar, work on your vocabulary, no one is going to stop you. But only if when it comes about comparing, you can only compare from yourself. And the second thing, never need to compare for any other people. And the reason is simple. You don't know for how long how they are doing practice, maybe from their birth, right? And so no need to compare, just work on yourself, work on your fluency, and practice a lot. This is the most important thing. Practice a lot with so many people on voice, on video. And if you are interacting in front, firstly talk with at least 100 to 500 people, then ask the same question. Now still I'm not able to speak, or still I have a kind of fear. Then maybe you don't have a kind of fear. So firstly practice, with more people. If you are talking with one people, you have fear, let it go, talk with next people. We have so many people in this world, so why are you worrying about the people that okay, just I'm getting stuck in front of any people. So sometimes it happens with all the people. We are all doing practice, sometimes it happens. So if I will think like, sometimes I stammer, or sometimes I stuck on particular word. So if I will think what he will think about me, so this is how I won't be able to express my thought after that particular, stucking is not a problem, but after stucking that particular moment, can you balance your emotions and balance your speaking? That is very, very important. Take a deep breath, okay, and after that again speak. And this habit, I think, will make you better in terms of speaking. And at the last, this is just a language, okay, a normal language that need only practice, nothing more than that. No need to fear and no need to worry about it.
No, Sasank, actually, I have seen many person when they are going to start speaking, just take, deep breath, yeah, just smiling, then start speaking, because that type, activity boost up their confidence. Now they can speak. So try to listen what people are saying, then try to reply. So I think this is good way. Okay, we have Akanksha. Akanksha, if you want to say something, so you can say. Otherwise, we are moving towards Neha. Akanksha. Okay, Neha, now we can start. You can give some tips for everyone.
Okay, yes, Shashank has given, sorry, Dhruv has given very much uh, good points. And yes, first of all, I want to talk upon the uh, vocabulary.
Mm-hmm.
as much vocabulary you have in your pocket, just start with that only, right? I'm giving you my experience. I'll share my experience that first of all, I do not know that in vocabulary we have some, no word is like it's a bad quality or a good quality of vocabulary. Each word has a frequency. It's a high frequency word, it has a low frequency word. If I take the example of active, this person is really very active. In initial days I used to even nowadays even people use this word only, that this people this person is active and this person is active. But with the practice, this I'm going to start the word agile. First use the words that you have, and after that, after practicing, try to replace that words with the high frequency words. I think he has left. Moreover, if you are failing at failing again, take this as like, if you are failing, these failures or these mistakes are the evidence that you are still practicing and you are still working on you. If you are not failing or getting mistake, it means you are not uh, you have stopped giving efforts to that particular uh, a loophole of yours. So
Yeah.
don't be afraid to get failed.
Okay, Shashank bhai, any other question regarding
Yes, sir.
pronunciation?
Is that environment is the matter? I think when for in a foreign country, when a child born, I think they don't anything regarding the English. They just listen, and how they is. My question is that is environment matter or not, sir? And there is a also the lack of content when we are giving any topic. Is there is any lack of content is also matter while
It's a
we
yeah. Mhm.
Okay, actually, in
It's
my
a
view,
thought process. Yes, it's a thought process of ours. Whenever we listen about a topic, like I have listened any topic for the first time, and definitely there will be a restricted or limited statements of mine, and because I have not any experience of that. The thought process, it works as per our knowledge, as per our experience. And if what you're talking about, like no one is telling us in the foreign country, so this is the same way as the brought up and born in India. Nobody told us that this is the grammar of, this is the vyakaran of in Hindi, this is Punjabi. We just heard that, or we get to, and we started speaking Punjabi. Nobody told us. Nobody. This is the environment that we got, and we started working. If definitely if we brought up in Canada, so we our upbringing will be in that way, and we when we start speaking, we will speak in English only.
Yeah, sure.
Shashank bhai, actually, what I think, environment does matter. Because here we are creating just an environment where everybody is just communicating their message through the English. Because as Neha mentioned, you take example of India, people born child born and start speaking Hindi after 2 or 3 years. How? Because we are not teaching them, just they are listening to what we are talking to each other, and they are just grasping each and every word, and after 2 or 3 years they started speaking in same manner English. Because in this group, just I'm taking consideration of WhatsApp group, we are trying to create an environment where we are communicating any message through the English, because that is environment. I think environment does matter. If you are talking English means,
Sure,
yes, Dhruv bhai.
exactly. It matters, and even I'm going to give a very, very realistic example. Okay, just stop doing practice on WhatsApp group. I mean, stop sending audios, and also stop joining this group. And after 1 week, you will realize you are just somehow leaving the attachment with this particular language. Just because you are in a learning mode, even if you are not doing more practice, but if you are doing if you are just joining one particular session, so what happened, just because you have joined this 40-minute session, not only you have talked but also listen other people. So this create kind of in your mind uh, we can say thought process. So even if we are going to sleep, we have something in our subconscious mind that okay, today we have talked in this particular language, so tomorrow automatic your mind will think like this. So if you will see any kind of sentence, or if you have little bit time, definitely you will attract to learn something, just because you have to speak in the evening. Okay, but if you have just left it, okay, if you have just not doing anything, only doing maybe for 10 minutes 15 minutes, but you are not listening people, so definitely you will not feel like that I have something. It is all about you are just at least attached with it every single day. So if it gives you a kind of responsibility, accountability, just because I don't know too much this language, so I have to work on that. So definitely, and just take a simple example of Hindi language. Okay, why we are going to compare from Canadian people? We know Hindi just because we are in that particular environment. The same if we were in any other, maybe take example of India. A person who is from Maharashtra, they know Marathi. From South, they know Tamil, just because of their uh, childhood upbringings, and they were in that particular atmosphere. So yeah, it's a simple thing that definitely it matters what we listen and what we see.
I know, Shashank Bhai, actually for speaking English, listening is very much important, because after listening, at
Yes.
least
Yeah.
you can find how we have pronounced the words and how we can speak. Because when you are going to listen, just I'm taking example of, I have listened Gaur Gopal Das, Sadhguru and Shashi Tharoor also. What I have found in Gaur Gopal Das, if you are going to listen, at least you can find how voice modulation works. Sometimes he speaks very slow, sometimes he speak fast, and sometimes he speak in
Mhm.
very high
Yeah.
voice. And when you are going to listen Sadhguru, he always try to speak a constant face. Now, firstly give a smile, and then try to
Mhm.
speak every face.
Mhm.
And also, if you're going to
Yeah.
listen Sachi Tharoor, you can get a lot of knowledge regarding any topic. Whatever topic
Mhm.
he is speaking, you can listen. How we are going to use. And also, what I have found difference, Sadhguru and Gaur Gopal Das using very simple vocabulary. Whatever they are using, we can easily understand what is meaning of this. Okay.
Yeah,
And
right,
also, if you
exactly.
want to work on your pronunciation, try
Yeah.
to listen more and more audio, because mentor, misery, anxiety, there are many words which we try to pronounce in a very wrong manner, but after listening we can find out yes what is correct pronunciation, because they are very good English speakers, because they are attending so many conferences, giving so many lectures in foreign country. So we can say yes, their pronunciation is a very good comparators. So I think by listening at least we can work on pronunciation portion. And as Neha mentioned, whatever you have vocabulary, try to use those vocabulary that is sufficient for speaking English and to convey your message to someone.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. And
So
also,
yes, yes,
in in
yes, sir.
our like whenever we speak in our mother tongue, we never see any other people what kind of vocabulary they are using. We are happy with how many vocabulary we are using, and even if you will go in whole day, I don't think anyone is using more than 100 vocabulary. I mean, we are just repeating the same thing in whole day. But for the same, it is just a language. It is just a language. Sometimes it depends. If you are going for job or interview, then you need a little bit good vocabulary and also grammar part. But if you are if you have to just normal communicate with any people, it's okay. If they are getting to you, it's fine. Don't worry about that you need kind of Sasi Tharoor vocabulary. Okay. But if you have, just imagine if you have, so now you have a kind of a privilege whether you can use that vocabulary or not. So this is the best part, that definitely then we need kind of vocabulary. So if any kind of opportunity we are getting, so we can use those vocabulary. But even if you don't have, don't worry, we can increase. But I believe how many vocabulary we have, we can speak any word. We don't need high-fi vocabulary. Why? Connecting little words, we can use it. Like the simple example. If we don't know the meaning of rajai, so we can say it as a kind of blanket, but like a side blanket. I mean, whatever you know, whatever in your mind. So this is how we can convey our thought, and we can easily get. So don't worry about that.
You know,
In terms
remembering
of
vocabulary is
vocabulary.
not important. Important is that ki how you are going to use. Suppose you have learned 5
Sure.
words, and if you are not going to use in your sentences, so I think there is useless. There is no meaning of that.
Yeah, sure.
After 2 or 3 days, just you are going to forget that word. So don't focus on so much. If you remember any word, try
Also
to
vocabulary.
use in your sentence, then you can remember for a long time. Otherwise, you are going to forget very soon. Okay, Mrs. Neha, please try to conclude our meeting because we have only 1 minute. So you can
I
conclude.
think we have done our part. We need to give this chance to Shashank.
Yes, yes, Shashank, you have
Yeah.
2 minutes. Now you can speak. We are here to listen you.
So what I was speaking, I just have a queries. That's why I am asking all of them ki how to overcome this.
Okay, just tell us now, what are you going to do from next time if you will confront such kind of problem? You will feel little bit more comfortable, or you will again compare yourself from
Or what
other
are your
people?
planning? From
I
where you're going to
Yeah,
start now?
sure.
from planning, I just watch something movie which full titles, and another one is just novel. And to learn regular day around 100 to 1000 vocabulary and make their sentence
No,
and try
Shashank, bhai,
to
not possible. Shashank, bhai, if you are going to
try
learn
to
100
spell
vocabulary per
And
whenever
day,
you are
they
sparing
required.
this is not popular.
1 hour, and you are
Uh,
sparing 1 hour to attend this session, live session. So it should be on the list. It should be on the to-do list for you.
Yeah,
Sorry,
right.
ma'am, I can't get you all. There is a
Okay,
network
I am
issue.
repeating that exactly you were saying that what are your plan. I'm going to tell you that you are also going to spare 1 hour of your day to join this session, and you are going to include this in your to-do list.
okay, I think
I
Mrs.
just
Neha,
ensured to do in list.
okay,
Okay.
not getting our voice. So we have no time. So I'm going to end up the
Mhm.
meeting because only we have
Yeah,
15 to
okay.
16 seconds. Okay. So thank you guys for attending this meeting. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Shashank, thank you, Neha. Thank you, Dhruv bhai. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Good night.
Good night to all.